So, this is that thing we were talking about that I was like, it's like a enclosed carb system or whatever. So there's a big rubber piece right here, and I took that off thinking that I would spray in there the starter fluid because I'm not a mechanic, and I don't think that that's how that works. So I'm wondering where I would spray starter fluid in a carburetor like this. Obviously you can see it's a carburetor and the other component like the throttle and everything, so yeah. And then the other thing, this is the distributor, this is the condition it's in, this is what it looks like, this is what the inside looks like. It doesn't look that bad. And then here's the rotor. That's that. I don't know. That's supposed to come off. Sure as fuck does come off though. So I'm not sure if you can see something that I don't see in here that would make you think points, or maybe you can see something about the condition of this. It honestly doesn't look bad, just kind of bothersome at the same time. Okay, the middle one is hooked to the ignition coil, and then all these are going to the right deals, so when you put this thing on, I just put it on and line it up with those clippers, so I don't see how it could be lined up wrong. And pretty simple. If you could just give me some insight on these things, that'd be helpful. I tightened this up when I first got it, so that's tight. I don't know.